Well, hey guys, um, gonna do a little more SketchUp work. I'm gonna try to make a kind of a easy, simple blower mount. See this little L bracket piece for WTAM 69. He's new, a little new to 3D printing, and um, but he's got the same i3 clone that I've been, really liking so far. Um, he's picking up 3D printing real fast, doing a real good job. But I'm trying to help him, see how SketchUp works and see if we can't figure out a few of these parts. Um, so I'm going to try to measure something up close to the dimensions of this without any kind of I don't know how it's screwed together or glued together or what, but we'll try to make another bracket, um, something kind of like this one. And I'd like to make it so it can fit either end, the motor end or the fan end. So maybe that's another thing we'll look at. But let me open up SketchUp, and what I need to do, I think the size I can be, let me make sure to get my calipers zeroed out. I think I can go 48 millimeters. Let's see. Yeah, 48 for the outside dimension. So I'm going to come up here and get a tape, and I'm going to come over and type 48. So I do everything in millimeters, so let's just go this way and type 48. Oh, I think this one didn't work. Hold on. The first one was way too big. Yeah, sometimes it's not zoomed in far enough to to do what I want. Okay, so let me measure that again. Come over here, 48. And I'll just type it in. I must not have hit enter. But anyway, now I get a rectangle. And normally, you just pull it like this and go 48 by 48. I don't know why it's not lining up on this. Well, maybe I'll just draw it with a pencil. Be just as easy. Start here. 48. Start here and go 48. Now I should draw the square. I'm going to zoom in on that. Okay, so we know that's our outside dimension, right? And now I'm going to go try to find the inside, the smallest part. You know what I mean? At least on this fan. We can go 40 by 40 on the fan, it looks like. So maybe we concentrate on the motor. It's going to be a little bigger. So go 43. So that means we can go let's see, 2.5. Was that 2.5? Yeah. 2.5. Where's the point? There we go. here, measure in 2.5. I'll just do that on all the directions. 2.5. Alrighty. Now we take our pen again, or a pencil, and we go trace this. Now did I? Okay, yeah, I didn't draw that part. Now I'm going to take my push and pull tool, and I'm going to pull this up. And I don't know how wide I'm going to need it, so I'm going to measure real quick. It can be, let's go something pretty heavy so it'll have some good support, maybe 15 millimeters. Yeah, 15 should be good. So I'll type in 15. And there we go. I'm going to get rid of these guides. We don't need these anymore. Now, I think that should fit. Let's see something real quick. Take my measuring tool there to there. See, that didn't open up. So I need to measure 2.5. Okay. I don't know what's going on with me today. I didn't notice that. Let me see what this one did. Mark it there. This one I got, I think. Yeah, that one I got. Okay, well, what we'll do, we'll come in and draw this like we should have the first time. Glad I checked. I thought I did it correctly, but I didn't. Okay, now watch this. We'll go push pull, and we'll just get rid of all this. That looks better. Now it's just a regular box, a regular old box that we can fit over either the motor end or the fan end. I think it'll fit on both. I wonder if we shouldn't make it so we can tighten it. You know what I mean? With maybe a zip tie. So we'll put an opening in, and I don't know which end would be better to put the opening in the back, maybe? Maybe. It's hard to tell. Excuse me. So let me measure in like, ooh, let's go 15. 1.5. get rid of some of these other guidelines. Don't need them. Alright, I'll take my pencil again. Just draw across here. These two guides. And I'll do another push-pull. We're going to make it open. Like that. I think what we can do it's the midpoint. Let's see, it's 15 millimeters, so 7.5. And we'll take this circle. Let me find a circle. Oh, I wonder if a rectangle would be better. We'll use a circle just for the hell of it. And we'll go 2.4. And can I hit the midpoint on this one? Yeah, it's not snapping to the midpoint. So let me get this again. So how far? That's 12.5. So 6.3 will go right about there. Close enough. How big did I make this one? 2.4. Okay, they're both the same. And this will just be a little spot where you can run a zip tie through, you know what I mean? Maybe it's on the bottom, maybe it's on the side, just to tighten it up. Well, I don't know. Seems like a good idea for a clamp. Now push pull till that goes clear through. Let's see what I should have done. Undo push pull. What I should do is measure this so I know exactly where to get my 2.5 millimeters. So go down and then type in 2.5, 2.5, and that'll be a through hole. 2.5. Alright. Now I don't know, maybe this goes on the back side of the motor. Maybe it doesn't need a zip tie through here or anything. Maybe it'll work just fine. I don't know. But it seems like it'd be a pretty simple little bracket, and then or maybe drill a hole on this end to mount that blower to. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I think it'll work. It's pretty simple. But really, there's no need to get too carried away yet, I guess. And I guess you just make 2 of them, And it looks like it'd be pretty simple to just snap over the NEMA and the fan if you want to do both. I think. Okay. Well, let me export this and let's see what you think. I will export the STL to my desktop. Let's see what I want to call it. Blower fan bracket. And I will go and I'll post it to Thingiverse. And I will, yeah, I'll post it to Thingiverse and send you the link. Let's see what you think. All right, take care.